Next, we have to see one relation, that is relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. Relation between linear velocity, relation between linear velocity v bar and angular velocity omega r. This relation we will write in vector form, that is v bar is equal to omega bar cross r bar. Here this is linear velocity, this is angular velocity, and this is radius vector. Now this multiplication, why we write in this vector form? Because as multiplication of the two quantities gives vector, then such type of multiplication we will write in the form of cross product. Now next is we have to find out direction of angular velocity and angular acceleration. Now here we have to find out direction of omega bar and alpha bar, that is angular velocity and angular acceleration. Consider this circle. Consider this circle. Now direction of omega bar given by right hand rule. Consider this is path of particle which undergoes circular motion, and that particle moves in anti-clockwise direction. Now consider your right hand and these fingers are curved in the direction of the circular motion, that is in anti-clockwise direction. Then your thumb denotes direction of the angular velocity, that is our direction of thumb is direction of angular velocity. Therefore in this case direction of angular velocity omega is in upward direction. Now what is the case when direction of that particle performing circular motion is clockwise manner? Then we can consider our hand like in this manner, such that our fingers denote the direction of the object which revolves in clockwise manner. Then direction of thumb is downward, therefore direction of angular velocity is in downward direction. Therefore when particle performs circular motion in clockwise direction, then direction of omega bar is downward. Now what is about direction of the alpha bar? When omega bar is increases, then alpha bar, that is angular acceleration, having same direction as omega bar. Means suppose our fan performs circular motion, or blades of the fan, tip of the blades of the fans performs circular motion. When fan start or stop, then its velocity or angular velocity either increases or decreases. In the case when fan just on, then its angular velocity increases. In that case direction of the angular velocity and angular acceleration are the same. And other cases when omega bar decreases, means when your fan obtain particular velocity, but when you switch off the fan, then angular velocity goes decreases. In that case means when omega bar decreases, then direction of alpha bar is opposite to omega bar. So this is about the relation between v bar and omega bar and direction of omega bar and alpha bar. This relation can be read as v bar is equal to omega bar cross r bar, and direction of omega bar and alpha bar, direction of omega bar given by right hand rule When particle performs circular motion in anti-clockwise direction, then direction of the angular velocity is in upward direction, and when particle performs circular motion in anti-clockwise manner, then direction of the angular velocity is in downward direction. Direction of angular acceleration, that is alpha, there are two cases. First case is when angular velocity increases, then angular acceleration have same direction as omega bar, and when omega bar, that is angular velocity, decreases, then direction of angular acceleration is opposite to angular velocity.